Up on a project here, Moore's Mill, little townhomes here being remodeled, and we're doing the floor in. Check out and see what's going on. Mr. Hardwood style. Floor here that's been demoed, ready to load up and take to our dumpster. This was existing tile. It's been pulled up. Looks like these guys are already getting a good start on the wall. Dennis there. Had to toe kick all the wood out from these cabinets because the wood's running underneath the cabinets. And we got some wood being laid. Slapping it in. Being laid also. They're about to do another run of glue all the way down, and then putting in more wood, cleaning the concrete before. Beautiful. GoPro movie. That left to do. Good. Get cleaned up. Project my guys were working on yesterday, and it's been completed. And I wanted to show. Well, there's still a few things for the contractor to do, but the floor's done. A couple little. So this place looks a lot better. There's a little trash he's got to clean up. Contractor's not done with everything he needs to do. We come and slapped this floor in yesterday. It looks absolutely beautiful. No problem. It's got a little more cleaning, and it will be completed. Job well done, Mr. Hardwood Inc.